Hey everyone, this is Dr. Paul. So here we'll be doing a supraspinatus pin and stretch myofascial release. So your supraspinatus is one of 4 rotator cuff muscles. And this is a really important muscle because it lies on the top of your shoulder blade right here in the small little divot, and then it travels and attaches to the top part of your upper arm bone, the head of your humerus. And its job is to help support and stop your arm from falling too far out of its socket here. Well, it's one of the muscles that does that. Now, it can get very overly irritated, especially with overhead movements when we don't have a good shoulder blade movement as well. So we got to make sure that this muscle doesn't get too tight because it's a prime contributor to lateral and front shoulder pain. So to find this muscle, I'm going to palpate on my patient Adam on his shoulder blades right here. Once I found this kind of bony notch running across the back of his shoulder, I'm going to sink back this way onto the meat of that notch. Here, I'm going to press my elbow onto that spot right there as I'm holding pressure here. I'll initially just hold pressure and then just scrub up and down. It can be pretty tender, so make sure to be talking with your patient. Adam, how you doing, man? Excellent, excellent. That was a thumbs up. And then we're just going to hang out right here. Now, Adam, I want you to reach back towards that same side pocket and then bring your arm back down. So you might have seen that my arm slipped, and that's just because I need to make sure that I'm moving with Adam's shoulder blade right here. So make sure that you have that firm contact the entire time. Otherwise, you could slip off it, and it could be painful for the patient. All right, man. Nice job.